Hi everyone, I'm back with another video on a great hair mask if you have dry, damaged, bleached, any type of damaged hair. It is the Monate Damage Repair Bond Support Mask. I use this 3 times a week. Stuff's amazing. It's like a buttery texture, has coconut oil in it. It's deeply hydrating that will strengthen and repair damaged hair. It nourishes and hydrates while strengthening the bonds. What I do is after I wash my hair, I will put it in, massage it in, and I will comb it out and leave it in for like 10 minutes and then rinse. And it reduces hair breakage by 95%. It strengthens weak hair bonds. It has 90% smoother hair. You can get 90% smoother hair. Like I said, it's a buttery texture with coconut oil. It provides moisture and combats dryness. So I highly, highly recommend that. This lasts a while. Like I said, I only use it 3 times a week, and that's what it looks like. So a little goes a long way. This lasts a while. So just thought I'd share that with you.